far can you shoot? Huh? Just wait. Hold on. Just wait. Kill him. Just got your first turkey.
Let's go.
Congratulations, man.
Oh my gosh, dude. Let's go.
You did it.
Let's go.
Oh man. That was awesome. Let's go get him. Come on. Heck yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Good bird. That's what I'm
go.
talking about. Let's see that beard.
Let's go, baby.
Dude, congratulations.
Let's go, Cal.
That's awesome,
Sweet,
man.
dude.
Oh, that is so freaking awesome.
Let's go.
We started out this morning on a track and didn't hear a bird, so we left and went to another one, didn't hear a bird, then came back over here, and as we're riding in, we see a turkey on the field, so we let him go because he was pretty spooked, and we came back to the back of this place and parked, and we were walking along the edge of the river, and we are calling we were going to slip back out of here and go try to kill the first one. And I peeked out in the field and I see him out here, and I was like, dang. So we set up on the edge of the field and called him on over here, and he came right on in, and you smoked him, man. That's awesome. Congratulations. That's his first bird. Beautiful turkey. First bird's a public land bird, dude. That's pretty awesome. That's freaking sweet.
Goodness.
Oh man.
That couldn't have been any more perfect.
Man, I thought he was gonna slip on by us, and I wanted him to get closer because as you can see over there, it's real thick where we were, and so I was scared wasn't sure if the pattern was gonna make it through all that, so I had to let him get close, and he got in here about 20 yards and you freaking smoked him, man. That's freaking awesome.
Goodness, dude. That's awesome. Appreciate it, Cal.
Heck yeah, man. Glad you could get one. That's what it's all about right there, is people getting their first birds and enjoying it. Couldn't have asked for a prettier morning either. That's freaking awesome.
That's crazy.
Well, congratulations, man.
Appreciate it, man.